Today we are discussing a basic project of React, that is a React counter, where we'll have two buttons used to increment and decrement the counter value. Value is greater than 20, it won't increment, and the console will be printed like maximum limit reached. And when the counter value is below 0, it will print a console minimum limit reached. So yeah, we need to design this type of counter. So here, the basic in React, we can do this via a very easy process known as hooks in React. Now, what is this hooks? Whenever we want to console log, we can just update the data there, but it won't be shown in the UI. To do that, we need hooks. Thus, to update visual data in UI, React uses hooks like use context, okay, or use state. So now to change value of counter, use the hooks use state. What it does, now there is a basic syntax of use state. This one. It takes two values in array. The 0th index has variable name and the first index has value after updation, or whatever you want to update the value. Like here, the name of the variable is counter, and the set counter just updates the value of the counter. Means it's a reference variable for the counter. Whatever you set the value in set counter, it will just update the value in counter. It is not a particular variable to be used. The variable is counter. And after that, giving the equal to sign, you need to write the keyword use state, and in normal brackets, you need to just give the use state from which you want to start. Like I want to start from 0. You can start from 10, 20, anything, what you want. Here I have used two use states. The first is to increment the value of counter, and the second is to just print the error message in the console window. Firstly, I have used a function const up. This is an arrow function of JavaScript. You might first get in detail of this arrow function, which is a very easy process. React also provides a very easy process. You just have to write the name of the variable in curly braces. That's enough. It will print the value, whatever you have in that variable. Else, if the value is not 20, the set counter will set the value of counter as +1, and the set error message will set the error as blank because we don't have any error now. Same goes for the down, vice versa. And then the return here. In return, whatever needs to be printed in UI, whatever you want to see in the UI, it gets printed. The first, we have a header one, counter project. The second header is counter value. Now the counter value, beside that, we have the value of counter. This is where we are setting the value of counter using the set counter function. So we are printing the value of counter. But let me show you the window. Using increase value, it's increasing the value. Let me show you in the console statement. Okay, so let me go to the console. Let me reload it. So now it's blank. When we'll increase the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Firstly, there is no error message. Okay, appeared here maximum limit X. As you can see, in decrease value also it happens the same way. There I have done less than 0. So the moment it is -1, only no error will be printed. The moment I again click the decrease button, the error is printed. Minimum limit reached. So yeah, this was a very basic counter project of React using hooks.